So today we are going to get my nails done, get my toes done, and get a facial wax. I have not got my nails done like with acrylics in over a year. I've been feeling longer nails lately. So, and then also I've been just like tired of like dealing with chipping, even from like gel, and even like when I would get gel manis. So I was like, you know what? And plus my favorite season is approaching. I'm sorry, you guys, I got a little bit of hair. Oh my. My favorite season is approaching, and I be trying to give Bad Babe all fall. So I like to have my nails done. So I've been also really enjoying French tips lately. So I'm probably gonna get French tips today on my nails and my toes. We are driving right now. That's why you see me laser focusing on the road, but I'm still chit-chatting with my girls and my boys. If you're here, my boys, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. I have not seen Jackie in a while, so it's gonna be really, really fun catching up with her. Gotta catch her up on so much, as I had to catch you guys up on so much too, right? But yeah, let me focus, and I will see you guys at the shop. So we are here. Let's go in. I'm so ready to get my nails did. So much better. Like when the nails is done, yeah, the toes is done, face is hairless, baby, it's time to party. Good morning, you guys. I'm about to get my windows tinted. I'm in Macomb. We got a lot of updating to do. Me supporting my sister blogging.